Whoa!
Yo!
Hello, people of Earth. Welcome to episode 1 of the Expedition series. This series will be an archive of magical moments that I witnessed and experienced on my expedition from east to west.
Fire. That was awesome, Matt.
You got the zoomies, bro.
Dude.
Oh yeah.
It's brick. But Denver's having a blast, bro. He's like, it's not brick at all. Yo. Dude. Oh! Oh shit! Bruh! Dude! Yo!
Dropped in on a big one.
Oh my gosh! Yo!
Yeah, you gotta be able to stop. If you're not able to stop, you're gonna fall. Like, you gotta be able to come to ultimate stop. Yeah.
Oh!
Don't keep your arms up like this. That's not helping anything. Yeah, keep it straight. If you're like this, it's gonna be off down. Well, sometimes arms does help. Alright, so be on the lookout to your left. There's oh, this is it! Right here. Right here. This is the path.
Oh my goodness! Oh! Yo, my foot is like, are my feet on correctly? Oh, bad.
No, you shouldn't have it like turned. Yeah.
So I should have it like what?
Have it like straight. Both are in like this.
Bet.
And you gotta really think of it like a balance board, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah. Like a balance board. Ooh, watch out. Watch out for this stick.
Oh, sheesh. Damn, this is nice, bro. I really like this. This is cool.
Right or left?
Left. Yee! Yo, this looks so awesome. I'm forgetting that I'm already recording it, bro. Sheesh. Whoa. Yee! After driving for many hours yesterday, we decided to visit the largest skate park in America that was built 2 months ago. And look, we unexpectedly woke up to a geodesic dome.
Tripping in the water is a whole different experience, and it's another great place to find solitude when there's a lot of people around.
After driving 9 hours, here we are in Colorado.
Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on the next episode where we explore Colorado.